The MAXVAC Supra SV1-430-MBS is an M-class single-phase industrial vacuum. It has a large filter surface and manual filter cleaning system. It is ideal for dry and difficult dust and can be connected to a power tool via a 40mm diameter hose. Although compact, it has a 20 or 45 litre waste canister. The vacuum is generated by 2 bypass motors. Each motor is managed by an independent switch, allowing variable power for differing waste types. The filtration is guaranteed by a sturdy polyester filter cartridge. The cartridge is made to ensure a large filter area. The M-Class certified filter stops particles as small as 1 micron, giving a safe area for the operator and environment. The collected material is stored inside a painted container, which is easily moved and emptied.